Hello there. So real mixed conditions as we go through the rest of the afternoon. Still a chance of a few showers out there which could again be heavy and thundery, especially across more southern areas.
Out there, good afternoon. Some rather unsettled and unpredictable weather to come over the next few days. We've got a few showers around and about. These could be pretty much anywhere. Don't necessarily rely on exactly where they lie on the screen.
Hello there. I'm sure you've noticed just how different the weather is today. Yesterday we had baking sunshine underneath that area of high pressure, but that is getting bumped out of the way. A lot of uncertainty about the details, and the details of the rain are going to change, but the theme over the week ahead is some warmth, some sunshine, but there will be some heavy and potentially thundery downpours as well.
Hello again. Hope you've all had a lovely Sunday so far. Well, already we have seen a few lively showers across parts of the UK this afternoon. More to come as we go through this evening, and tonight the Met Office do have a weather warning in force, especially across southern areas, as again we could be seeing some hefty downpours with some thunder and lightning in places.
Good evening. It's proven very tricky to forecast the weather through today. We didn't have an awful lot of sunshine. It's been often cloudy with outbreaks of rain, some thunderstorms too. The risk of thunder highlighted here in the south through the course of the night, but you can see outbreaks of rain also travelling northwards across the country, and then by the end of the night somewhere across northern England, southern parts of Scotland, perhaps Northern Ireland too, but even further south where it appears to be clear here on the weather map, we could have thunderstorms.
Well, it's been a pretty chilly day here at Blenheim Palace, but will the spring be warming up?
Hello, thanks for joining me. The weather was very hard to predict today. We've had showers and thunderstorms drifting in from the south. Perhaps even didn't even go particularly according to plan because we didn't have as much sunshine as we thought. And actually the weather this week is going to be very volatile. There'll certainly be some warmth around, but more showers on the way. This is the schematic of what the jet stream is going to look like through most of the week. So a big dip in the jet stream in the Atlantic, then this ridge over Europe, and we're just on the cusp here, meaning that the weather will be generally coming in from the southwest, and often this time of the year storms form across Siberia, the near continent. They get shunted in our direction by the jet stream, and that's actually something really difficult to predict. So probably going to be a lot of complaints out there that we can't get the forecast right, but actually we are doing our best. These areas of rain, thundery rain, tend to form very quickly and then dissipate and then reform in other areas as well. And that's exactly what's going to be happening through the course of this evening and overnight. So I think there's a risk of thunderstorms in the south, but then the bulk of the rain drifts northwards through the night. But even where you have the clearer weather here in the south, there could be thunderstorms drifting across the English Channel by the early hours of Monday morning, and quite muggy really in the south, 15 degrees, more like 8 degrees in parts of Scotland where we would have had some clear spells. So I think the broad message for tomorrow with this volatile weather is northern half of the UK, often cloudy with some outbreaks of rain, southern half of the UK, generally bright or even sunny with occasional showers breaking out almost anywhere, and some of the showers could be thundery, and the temperatures 22 in the south, 15 in the north. Now here's Monday night into Tuesday. Remember that dip in the jet stream I showed you? So within it is nestled a large area of low pressure, and it is brushing us. The centre of the low is behind me. You can see swirling around in the Atlantic, but this weather front brushes western parts of the UK. So in the west, often cloudy, rainy and cooler. Further towards the east, we've got more heat. In fact, verging on quite a hot day really in the southeast, up to around 26 degrees Celsius. That will probably be the hottest day of the week. Okay, let's have a look at midweek now. Still that low pressure out in the Atlantic, and around the low pressure we also have smaller areas of low pressure and little weather fronts spinning around, and you can see one small one here. And actually again, these are very difficult to predict because they are coming in from the southwest, quite small features. So we think on Wednesday approaching southwestern areas, but you can see big gaps in the cloud as well. So there's certainly going to be a lot of sunshine around too. And then on Thursday, we think there'll probably be some rain a little bit further towards the east of the country. But the further we go into the week, the less I'm convinced that we will get all these details right. I mean, we couldn't really get them spot on in the last 24 hours, let alone in the week ahead. But again, big gaps in the cloud, so there will be some sunshine around. So a mixed picture, but with lengthy spells of sunshine. And then on Friday, it's western parts of the UK that probably get the rain as well. So we'll get rain in all sorts of areas through the course of the week, but it's never going to be cold, particularly across England and Wales. If you want some dry, sunny weather, the indication is that this coming weekend is going to be more settled. Enjoy your evening.
Hello there. It's fair to say the forecast hasn't gone to plan today, especially across more southern parts of the UK. We've seen high pressure that brought us the sunshine and the warmth yesterday being replaced by falling pressure, strengthening breeze and rain that's been pushing up from the south. Yesterday we had the sunshine widely across southern parts of England. It was really warm. Today we've had much more cloud around and some rain too.